Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing this another replay video for you guys today because I honestly just don't feel like doing the work. I'm not gonna lie. So I opened up with double Tom strike against Dinos. Unfortunately, I was going second, but those strikes, he messed up that play. He didn't use a weapon for some reason. I guess he misclicked. Yeah, I'm playing Malefics. This is for my wife. She doesn't know this. I can say because she doesn't watch my channel most of the time, but I'm thinking about making Malefics for her, and I'm trying to make it work. So, like I said, those strikes put in work, a lot of work, and then this attack was 4K is pretty good. I'm thinking it's gonna be a OTK-ish build because of the new support. It makes it very much an OTK deck. So, yeah, I strike that shit, get that crap out of here. I didn't have any more Malefics, so I was like, screw it, I was like, okay, fuck it, I'm going to. Sorry, I'm having trouble breathing. It's hot in here. It's very stuffy. But anyway, I was like, you know what, I'll Malefic World. Anyway, I was like, okay, I'll Malefic World to search for that, and then I'll get rid of it to. Also, I didn't think about it, but when I started activated Silver Carcos, I didn't think about Lost World and the tokens, but it was fine. It worked. This is something different. Malefics. So, 3 Malefics I put in dragons, duh. 3 Malefics Stardust Dragon, duh. These are the only monsters I play. Uh, 3 Malefic World for searching, 1 mount, 2 Mythic Cloudstone, 1 Zero Oikakos. These are pretty much the second and third Oikakos because it's stuck to draw into multiple Oikakoses. Because you can only use it once per duel. 2 Terraforming, 3 Allure, duh. Draw power. So, the traps. Solemn Judgment, Solemn Warning, 3 Solemn Strike, 3 Dark Bribe, 1 Macrocosmo, 1 Impenetrable Order, 2 Anti-Spell Fragrance, 3 Summon Limit. This card is absolutely insane. I love this card so much. 2 Malefic Claw Stream. This is actually considered a bad card. Like, I haven't drawn it yet, but I mean, it's a free destruction. So, but like this card is really good. I could see it as a one-of, even in the new build. 2 Everstorm Duster, back removal, bounce removal, you know, all that kind of good shit. Infinite Impermanence, this card is obviously kind of good. So yeah. 3 Sabling Dragon, 3 Stardust Dragons. So I'm actually gonna replays. I have another replay for you guys, I guess. Where was it? It was, I saved it today, like one for the pink kids. This dude had double Ghost Ogre, which freaking sucked. So, I'm dealing with family drama. So anyway, yeah. So I played through the Ghost Ogre, obviously because I once. I actually could have summoned JD turn 1, but I decided better not to. So I ended with Omega and Borlo because of Ghost Ogre. Kind of screwed me up, but it was okay because you know. Oh, it did actually trigger it. Cool. I didn't know that actually worked. But yeah, Borlo Dragon actually really just like fucking won me the game. This card is so good. So good. Because I can't summon anything to a summon Link Monster points to, which in today's game and age, you know, kind of sucks. This is pretty much a board wipe. And if you don't have any main marks or so, you know, cool. And then he quits. He's like, screw this shit. Deck. I'm trying to. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm trying to like push this video, make it longer than what it actually is. Because it was at 2 minutes. So, but anywho, 3 Judgment Dragons, 3 Raiden, 3 Wolf, 3 Felitas. These are absolutely insane. I don't know why people don't play Felitas. I guess because of bricks. But like this, I have won so many games from this card. It's an extra level 4 tuner that can be special summoned. It's level 4, so you can go into the Minerva Exceed. It's tuner, so it's Wolf or one of your other non-tuner monsters, which pretty much is anything except for Raiden. If it's level 4 other than Raiden, whatever, you can, make Omega, which is really powerful. So, 2 Lumina, I feel like 2 is all you need. 1 Golf, 1 Lila, 1 Shrine, 1 Arcus. These are really, Lila and Golf is okay. These 2 are really in here just for the Judgment Dragon, because it gives me extra names. It's, 8 names. That's the only reason I play it, is to help summon Judgment. 1 Unizombie, he's dumb. 3 Solitaire, duh. 3 Masuki, duh. Like, I was actually gonna cut this to 2, and I honestly still could see it at 2, but for now, it's fine. 1 Global. This card actually came in handy a little while ago. So, because it's level 1, meaning you can make Link Kuribo. Basically, it's a 1 card Link 2, which isn't bad. So you can go like Lone Fire, Lone Fire, Lone Fire, Glow Up Bulb into Link Kuribo, Link. Use Glow Up Bulb, mill out the Miller card, special Glow Up Bulb, um, special summon Miller card, special Glow Up Bulb, link into like a Nightmare Phoenix or a Cerebus. So it's pretty good. 1 Trick Clown for my spells. 1 Reborn, 1 Rotor, 1 Foolish, duh. 3 Charge, duh. 3 Total Recharge, duh. So 1 Nat Beast. This card's actually pretty good. I have never made it, but still if I can. 1 Black Rose, 1 Cycling Lord Omega, 1 Minerva, 1 Curious, 1 Nightmare Phoenix, 1 Nightmare Cerebus, 1 Clara. This card's actually okay. I made it once. 1 Link Rebo, 1 Lampress, 1 Underclock Taker, 1 Warlord, 1 Bull Sword, 1 Skull Dread. This card's pretty good. I made it once. Warlord Dragon, because Warlord Dragon is pretty much an MVP. I make this card so many times. I made this card like I played like 3 or 4 games. I've made it pretty much every game. So, you know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, you take in house below. I will catch you guys later. This is the Jinzo. Right now. Later, guys.